Good morning students. Welcome back to IT class. Today we are going to start a new lesson, chapter 5, Formulas and Functions in Excel. In the last chapter, we have learned more about Excel and we learned how to perform mathematical calculation using formulas. Today, we are going to learn the formulas in detail. Excel provides some built-in formulas. We can also add these formulas into Excel worksheet in different ways. There are mainly two ways to enter formulas into a worksheet. First one is typing directly in the cell. Second one, typing in the formula bar. You can use cell address instead of giving direct value to the formulas. The first one is typing directly in the cell. In this method, we can type formula directly in the cell after giving an equal to symbol. For example, I have given an item pen having unit cost 5 and packing cost 1. Then I want to display total of this pen in this cell. Without giving the direct value 5 plus 1, I have given the cell address of this 5 and 1 here. This is formula. So this is the method we are typing the formula in the cell. So after giving this formula, press enter. Then you can see the result 5 plus 1 equal to 6 in this cell. Second method to enter a formula is using formula bar. In this Excel sheet, you can see one formula bar here. Here you can give the formula equal to B2 plus C2. Then press enter. Then you can see the result in this cell. So these are the two methods to enter formula into an Excel sheet. First one is typing directly formula in the cell. Second one, typing formula in the formula bar. This is an Excel sheet. Excel provides many built-in formulas. We can add formula in different ways in Excel sheet. Here I have created item, pen, pencil, book, bag, like that. Unit price also given in this column, and then packing price is given in here. Then we have to find the total. So normally we can do equal to 5 plus 0.5, then press enter. Then the total will be appear here. But here we are using formulas, and without giving direct value, we are using cell address. The cell address of this 5 is B2 and cell address of this 0.5 is C2. So I am going to use this B2 and C2 instead of 5 and 0.5. There are two ways to enter formulas in a worksheet. The first one is typing formula directly in the cell. Here I am going to type the formula directly in the cell. For this, first you have to give an equal to symbol, then B1, B2, B2 is the cell address of 5 and C2 is the cell address of 0.5. Then press enter. Then you can see the total in this cell 5 plus 0.5, 5.5. So here I have directly typed the formula in this cell. Second method, typing formula in the formula bar. Here this is the formula bar. Here you can give the formula. If you want to display the total of pen, then click on the in formula bar you have to give equal to P2 plus C2. Then press enter. Then you can see the result of 5 plus 0.5 is displayed here. Then if you want to find the total of pencil, click on this cell. Then in the formula bar, give the formula equal to P3 plus C3. Then press enter. So this is the total of. Next topic is cell range. A group of selected cell is known as a range. When we select a group of cells, it should be in continuation. Then only we can form a range. When a range is selected, you can see a rectangular form. Using this range, you can perform calculations on multiple cells. The address of a range can be created by using starting address and ending address separated by colon. For example, if you are selecting a range from B2 to D3, B2 is the starting address and E3 is the ending address. It should be separated by using a colon. Let's see how to do this. If my starting address is B2 and ending address is D3, then it should be separated by using a colon. This is the address of range. Next topic is naming a cell range. A group of selected cells is known as a range. We can assign value to a range. For this, you have to do the following steps. Next is a cell range. A group of selected cells is known as a cell range. The cell range should be in continuation. Then only we can form a range. This is a cell range. This is also a cell range. A cell range will be in rectangular form, but it should be in continuation. Naming a cell range. Excel allows us to assign name to a cell range. We are going to assign a name for this range. For this, you have to select the range of cells first. Step 2. Click on the Formula tab from ribbon. Step 3. Click on Defined Names command under Defined Names group. Then a dialog box appears. There you have to give new name. I am going to give instead of total, I am going to give total profit. Then press OK button. Then assigned name appears in the name box. Now we can use this name in place of cell address in formulas.
Different ways to enter a formula. There are mainly two ways to enter a formula in a worksheet. Typing the formula directly in the cell. In this way, the formula is directly typed in the cell after typing an equal sign as follows. After entering the formula in the cell, press the Enter key. When the Enter key is pressed, result of the formula appears in the cell. Typing the formula in the formula bar. In this way, we can type the formula in formula bar after selecting the cell as follows. After entering the formula, when we press the Enter key from the keyboard, the result will appear. Understanding cell range. A group of selected cells is called a range. The selected cells should be in continuation to form a range. When a range is selected in a worksheet, a rectangular shape is formed. We can use a cell range to perform a calculation on multiple cells. The address of a range is created by using the starting and the ending cell addresses separated by a colon sign. For example, if we have selected the cells from B2 to E3, then the address of the range will be B2 colon E3. Naming a cell range. Excel allows us to assign a name to a cell range. This name can be used in place of cell address in formulas. Perform the following steps to assign a name to a cell range. Step 1. Select the range of cells to which you want to assign a name. Step 2. Click on the Formulas tab from the ribbon. Step 3. Click on the Define Name command under the Defined Names group. The New Name dialog box appears. Step 4. Type the name and click on the OK button. The assigned name gets appeared in the name box. Now, we can use this name in place of cell address in formulas.
Students, we have come to the end of today's session. Today we have learned how to enter formulas into Excel sheet. For this, there are two methods. First one, typing directly in the cell. Second one, typing the formula in the formula bar. Second, we have learned about cell range. It's a group of selected cells. It should be in continuation, then only we can select a range. Then we have learned how to give name for the cell range. Hope you all understood this topic. For any doubts or clarification, we will discuss in the live class. Thank you.